I previously posted a video predicting I feel that stapler threading is
a big trend in the future at that time.
I sent you the photo of the OCB's Iron Turtle.
And sent it to you for reference. This Iron Turtle.
Maybe 3 or 4 years ago, I had seen someone post a review video.
At that time,
It was compared with a domestic crab called Key Ruzi. I happen to have someone in my group with this crab.
so in this video,
I will take these two staplers apart and compare them in all aspects.
For those who don't want to watch the disassembly video,
I'll summarize the abridged version.
these two staplers are very good. Both are very good. Where are they good? First,
what is the most important thing for a machine?
simple operation, just like brass, right? The cloth roll, I still need to learn how to use.
I can use brass even with my eyes closed, right? This is called ease of use.
It's called usability from the perspective of ease of use. OCB's Iron Turtle,
Is the same as this Kyuji.
there is no difference. Another is how long it can be used. OCB is not mentioned a long time ago,
Maybe 3, 4, 5, or 6 years ago, some friends used it.
and they are still using it. What about the Key Ruzi?
There are also those small stalls in the market.
They have been used
For 5 or 6 years.
the small stall in the market. How many times a day they use it? This is their durability in this app.
I think there is no difference between them.
Even the feel and the internal workmanship. I still think the Kiru Z is better, but OCB is outstanding in appearance.
With a high price and rate fidelity, they're rare. These buffs
For a vain person like me, it has a fatal attraction.
have a fatal attraction. My friend brought it back for me. The original price is 32.
I like its appearance so much that I choose it.
If I add the shipping cost, more than 500 yuan, I wouldn't even look at it. Bye-bye. You go and play it. Next, let's take.
OCB's Iron Turtle and the Gooey Duck.
The internal workmanship of these two staplers.
I'll show you the detailed disassembly of the materials.
There is no harm without comparison.
Okay, dear friends, let's take a look at the OCB's punching tube.
And the internal situation of the key Ruzis.
It's about workmanship. Yes. First, the connector.
It's stamped. Damn it.
Look at this round one. It's very smooth.
What is this?
It's a cut round one. This one. It should have been heat treated.
Let's use scissors to scratch it. You should know whether it has been heat treated.
Well, this one should have been heat treated.
There are no scratches. This one has scratches when scratched. Okay. The second thing is,
The guide rail has a clearance.
which means there is a gap. And this one has a double guide rail. And you can see this is a plastic slider. This is a metal guide rail, metal slider, double guide rail, single guide rail. So the single guide rail has clearance, and it's made of plastic.
And there is a gap, which is...
This one doesn't have that. You can't touch it without it. How to touch it? It won't be there if you touch it. This one has it. When you touch it, the second thing is the third thing. The spring. It uses a bow spring. It should be from Japan. Our domestic ones can't do this. It's poor quality. There is no such recoil in China. And this is the spring. They give you a spring, which means you can change it anytime. He gave these two springs, which can be changed. Then the third thing, I think from my point of view, is more important. This is not brass. This is not brass. It's stainless steel. I tried it with a magnet. It should be like that. The same as the drill bit. It's a coated drill bit with better wear resistance. The wear resistance.
Let's see two of them. Which one is better?
Two of them.
Are about the same age. See.
What's the difference between the blade? Take a look. What's the difference in the blade? This one's edge is like this. This one's edge is like this. Both of them should be aluminum alloy. This one can't be attracted by a magnet. If they are both aluminum alloy, this one will be slightly better. This one is oxidized, a little bit worse.
This one has an anodic oxidation treatment.
This one is untreated. That aluminum alloy. This is the treated aluminum alloy. It's just a layer of coating. In terms of workmanship, there is one more thing. Is the bearing of the product.
The bearing is OCB.
Let me see what bearings they use. OCB is not visible. It's covered. I can't see. I can't see it. And here is a kind of metal. What is this metal pattern called that bearing? Push. These two, they are similar. So what can I say? I still choose this one for the appearance. This one is so beautiful. I think this one is just so...
It's not good looking, but the workmanship is indeed good.